Hello everyone, my name is Saravanan Dhandapani and welcome to my course on Heroku Getting Started. I'm an architect working in financial domain, focused on end-to-end design and architecture. As more and more companies are looking for a cloud migration strategy, they realize that they may not be ready and jump head first because of issues like security, business complexity, legacy infrastructure, and lack of required skills. There exists a cloud deployment strategy where they can focus on their application and make it cloud ready before migrating to a public cloud. In this course, you will learn different cloud deployment strategies like SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS and understand where Heroku fits in. Deep dive and understand Heroku architecture and key terminologies. Download and install Heroku CLI and learn its features. Deploy a Java application and learn how to scale to meet increasing demands. And finally, learn about the add-ons and data services provided by Heroku. By the end of this course, you will get a thorough understanding of the features and benefits offered by Heroku. I hope you will join me on this exciting journey to learn about one of the fast-growing PaaS cloud provider in my course Heroku Getting Started at Pluralsight.